Dear students, good evening. Today we are going to learn methane preparation and its properties. So methane basically called as Mars gas and it's also called as fire damp. See, fire damp gas is also what is the fire damp gas? That is also called as methane, Mars gas. It is a methane and methane. So here the thing is that why it is called as fire damp gas. Basically methane is generating in the different type of what is that what you can say animal body from the animal body, or you can say plant or animal dung. These are all the particles where the methane can generate actually, and it automatically generates and it automatically catch the fire. And basically in summer actually, where you can see some of the areas, the fire is getting automatically catch the fire. Fire is automatically catch in the you can say that is grasslands. You can say in the at the cattle side grass heaps. This is only due to the methane. So basically methane is formed from the sodium acetate. This is one of the cheapest and you can say that is one of the easiest laboratory method. This is sodium acetate CH3COONA. Sodium acetate. When it got reaction with the sodium hydrate, you can say that is called as soda lime. Soda lime. Basically this is sodium hydrate. The symbol delta will always, in chemistry, symbol delta will always tells us heat, and at the presence of calcium oxide. See, the combination of NaOH and calcium oxide is called as soda lime. That is called as soda lime. See, at here, this combination will come out. That is called Na2CO3. This is called as sodium carbonate. Plus this compound gets this hydrogen and forms CH4. This is methane. This is methane. So this is one of the cheapest, easiest laboratory method, where you can see like this. You can take a test tube. Take a test tube and have some cork at here, and add some percentage of this sodium acetate and soda lime, means NaOH and CO mix. Take a small pipe, insert in the water, this is water. Here this methane will get bubbles at here and accumulated at here. This is the easiest method, where you can see the heat. Here you need to do heat at here. So this is the easiest method where you can get the methane very easily. And here it is a combination of organic and inorganic reaction. This is a organic and inorganic reaction. So many times it was asked in the competitive exam, in which organic and inorganic reaction methane has generated. This was a competitive question actually, competitive exam question. And second one is some iodides, halogen groups, like simple. There is if you have methyl iodide with the nascent hydrogen groups. If you can take nascent hydrogen groups, there is two combinations. It may be zinc copper or nickel platinum, whatever it may be take. It may be if you can take the zinc copper catalyst or nickel platinum catalyst. two catalysts are very important for the nascent hydrogen: zinc copper or nickel platinum. So if you take nickel platinum, then the catalyst is a sulfuric acid. If you take zinc copper, the catalyst is alcoholic water, that is called as alcoholic water. Then what will be happen? This iodine group Hi and CH3. This CH3 will get one hydrogen and form CH4, and this hydrogen will get reaction with the iodine and form hydrogen iodide Hi. Okay, this is second reaction. These are the two methods where you can understand in the 10th class level. So these two reactions are the major reactions to prepare the methane gas, that is Mars gas. Okay, whereas by coming to the properties, physical properties, as we all know that this is a colorless gas and this is highly flammable, and we are using as using as a fuel. Okay, it's slightly soluble in the water, like that. And chemical properties, the major chemical properties is, that is halogenation, reaction with the halogens. In this, actually it actively participates the reaction with the chlorine. Basically, chlorine is one of the molecule which it can easily participate in reaction with the methane or organic compounds. Whereas bromine and iodine, they have some rigid capacity. Chlorine have a chain reaction. Bromine, it has a limitation reaction. Iodine, it is only up to the 1 or 2 certain levels only. So the only capability with the halogens is chlorine have the capability to have a chain reaction with the organic compounds. एक क्लोरीन कहीं है जो एक चेन रिएक्शन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड के साथ बनाने के लिए कैपेबिलिटी रखती है. बाकी सभी ब्रोमीन है, आयोडीन है, ये सभी क्या होता है, एक ब्रिकली नेचर का रहता है और एक स्टेप तक की उनका रिएक्शन रहता है. दूसरा स्टेप तक आते आते उसका रिएक्शन बहुत डाइल्यूट रहता है, बहुत स्लो हो जाता है. पर ये जब मीथेन जो है क्लोरीन के साथ जब रिएक्शन होता है, उसके लिए क्या जरूरत है, एक सिंपल था सनलाइट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज UV light. That means sunlight means in sunlight. Basically, this is a natural light. In the natural reaction, it's called as natural reaction, where the methane is generating from the dung, where the methane is generating from the fecal material. That methane will easily gets reaction with the chlorine and forms a methyl chloride, CH3Cl plus hydrochloric acid. And this is important, boss. Hydrochloric acid is a byproduct here, okay, and this is a natural reaction. That hydrochloric acid which comes at there, that will make a nuisance in that area. It may see this hydrochloric acid will make will make a unfavorable condition for the plants and their surrounding plants and grass. Due to that reason, grass is automatically gets dried and grass color of the grass is getting changed. Second reaction, it is also this methyl chloride will also again it is getting participated in the UV light. It is a chain reaction. So it will get CH2Cl2 dichloromethane plus HCl again. Again this compound forms CH2Cl plus Cl2 UV light CHCl3 plus HCl. This is called as chloroform. CHCl3 is chloroform. This is called as chloroform. It also formed chloroform. This is one of the reason. See, the thing is that in the chain reaction, chloroform appears, but it will not sustain. It It will not sustain because again this chloroform will react with the chlorine like CHCl3 will react with the natural chlorine and in the presence of light and form CCl4 and HCl. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride is a stable molecule and it will not react further. So carbon tetrachloride is the stable molecule. Okay. Next halogen reactions is like reaction with the iodine. I have told you CH4 with the I2, CH3I, methyl iodide and HI. That's all. There is no chain reaction for the iodine. While we are making a burning for this, like CH4 plus 2O2, natural burning, heat. This is burning. Heat. If you are doing burning, simple thing is that carbon will become carbon dioxide, hydrogen will become water molecule. 4 hydrogen, 2 H2O plus heat. Some amount of heat will come out. Okay. So these are the preparation and properties of the alkanes like methanes. That's all friends for the day. If you have any doubts, please make a comment. If you want to learn some more things, if you want to know some more competitive questions, let me ask you, please ask me, let me answer for those things.